Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you a way of feeding your family for a few bucks. And during these quarantine times, you know, wages are cut, things are a little tight for everyone. So why not make economical meals? And we love chickpeas. These are amazing. A bag like this, it's like $8 and could feed probably about 12, 15 meals for us, family of 5. To prepare your dry chickpeas, you need to soak them. Fill it up with water. We're just gonna let it soak for about 8-9 hours or overnight. Good tip, before you go to bed, let them soak. And in the morning, they're ready to go. And I'll show you how to make them by boiling them and getting them ready. And this works also for beans and really simple, cheap eating during these times. Now, the chickpeas have been soaking overnight and then pretty much for about 4 hours this morning. So they've gone over their 8 hours, no problem. So look, they've doubled in size. So give them a nice little rinse and right into the bowl. Fill the pot, because right now, they're still hard. They have to be boiled now for about 45 minutes. So just check on your chickpeas and remove the soapy looking stuff. Okay, so just give the chickpeas a try. Tender, and they're ready. So you could remove the water if you want, or keep it, use it for soups, and they're good. Really inexpensive, easy meals, and these freeze really well. Just throw them into baggies into the freezer.